Igabili igathathu lento because Usabelo did what he thought was right at the time, even though that was a wrong thing to do. But for Yena, it sounded or looked like it's the right thing to do because remember, if uma uyakhala athi kena mina ngikhathele sekwanele manje kade ngihlukumezeka. Lamagama lawo ayahlaba inhliziyo. It pierces your heart so much so that you feel that there should be something that I should do to protect or to help my mother. And I cannot just sit and watch while my mother, her heart is bleeding and I'm the boy child. I need to stand up. Ngibonisa ubudoda. Ngibonisa ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukumela umndeni. Nanoma yini ezayo ngizokwazi ukumelana nayo. Even if it means going against your culture, your roots, even if it means ukushaya ukhulubuse, uzoyenza lento leyo because it's because of the pain that you feel and the piercing of the heart. So Usabelo, after a conversation that he had with the mother, he saw it fit ukuthi alande ukhulubuse I'm shy, faka isibhakela nginqindi. Amqumbi phansi. Oh, but wait. Yes, I see it all now. That time when ukhulubuse no one gonna report your ratopo. He couldn't even articulate because he was so mad. Not only was he mad, but he was uhlambalezekile because he's thinking my son ashaye mina ngesibhakela. Weba kithi. Kusukela nini ubaba ingane ishaye uyise ngemvubu? Kanjani manje? How did we even get here? So more than anything, he was very embarrassed. Why would my son do this? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing A House of Zwide. Ndimadekwana sanbonan abshen molweni minjani ipukile hingongwina so namuhla ka nokwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma korishla tsamsekangi kahle looking at the fact that after a very intense meeting abantu abadala they did elaborate ukuthi what Usbahle did was wrong, but then again at the end of the day umntwana we need to forgive because now we all make mistakes. Don't you make mistakes? Yes, we all do make mistakes. Okay, sharp. Then now there was a conversation that happened to umamkhulu uNtombi nomamazala. Umamazala uthi even if we can see ukuthi umntwana urongi, why must we now make it as if umntwana uright? Athi ke uNtombi beka wrong yini? Lezi zinto lezi azisho bezirong yini? Ngizohlala kanjani nomfazi ongahloniphi ingane zami? In fact, ohlukumeza ingane zami. Ngihlala kanjani naye lo muntu angimfuni? Now ngidideka xa sithi andimfuni. Ekubeni she was the first person to say ngicela ushado umyeni wami. And samva ncam, where are we going with this? Because you're the one that went and say, Faith, please marry my husband. Now that Faith wants to marry your husband, you are the one ochechelang morao uri he ena na hakinya kunyale monaka ushapa bana baka ngamagama athini ke manje. What is this? Is this a circus or what is going on here? What's with this all roller coaster? Because you are the one that was part of it. Umamazala then said to uNtombi uthi yabona lento yakho yokungamukela uFaith, instead ukuthi indoda yakho ikuthande iyokuzonda. Xa ikuzonda, you're not gonna like it. So just do yourself a favor and amukela the makoti to be, which I don't understand why she's not amkeling, or maybe she was pretending in the first place. Anyway, so Isaac wakes up in the morning and then realizes ukuthi yo akututi emnyango, and then he calls a friend to say why haven't you picked up the dirt? He said he's being threatened. He asked further, who is threatening you? What is going on? Because this contract is the contract that you initially wanted and you have been looking forward to it. He said yes, but majority of the people that serve in this contract, they don't make it out. So I had to choose my life. I had to choose me. Now Isaac wants to find out ukuthi ubani kahle kahle that is threatening you, because haunori motho aka kry tendera today and then ka go sane ibe wa itlogela wa re kore nna ke tshaba bophelo ba ka ke nya go itse gore ke mang a re bona ntate we ne ke gopa re diputso tse dingwe ha re no di tlogela if o nya gore se tswaletse se sa rena se no maintain ya se le so meskini itlogela. It's whether let's just move on with our life. Then he left. Now on the other news, Umulife wakes up in the morning and make a breakfast for Utato, and then he was pretending gore useva Tato. Ke hantsa mbolela gore wa itse nna ha ke re ke motho le di cereals, so ke tsogile ka di cereal ne ha da nna shapo go maleng, so bjanong ke tshwere ka re ke phiega man let me just go to the bathroom and ease myself. Kanti lutho umuntu uyanyonyoba ufuna isikhiya, ufuna isithixo. So that I think he wants to go there ku-House of Zwide and then pretend ahambise intombi yakhe. Tshontsha isikhiya, and then uThato, when he gets to work, he realizes he does not have the key. Neo is wondering what is happening. Mina iti into Mlife knows where the keys are. And this will always end in a hunky-dory bad story. Because what do you mean? Utshontsha isithixo ke ngoku? For ntoni? Why are you even doing that? The least you could do is just to tell the truth of who you are, what you do, and people will accept you for who you are. Because at the end of the day, le ntombazana lo gele lona ma realize ukuthi umlife akanamali, let alone imoto, uyomshiya vele. Lo gele lo uyabona ukuthi she's money influenced, and angazi ukuthi umlife ufunani lapha. Angazi ukuthi uzogcina akhona ukufika emashidini, but nje I don't know if this is going to end well for him. But in engiyaziyo ukuthi maceda lapho vele bayomlahla. There's no two way about it. Anywho, so Uneo is a bit convinced. In fact, is confused why Uthato is not telling uMampho ukuthi bayenzani, their whole secret ingredients of what they're doing at Tigena. When she find out izophuma gabi, it's best that we just say it. But Uthato is still holding it in. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next upload. Do leave your comment down below.